Hi guys, on this video I will show you my library from the Synth multi-samples with the transform from the Kontakt. The format is the NKI. I will show you Kontakt NKI. So that this is the file. Let's just make the proper to see how much is the. So the around the 4 gigabyte 0.42, more than 4 gigabyte is show me is the 642 folders, around the 9,000 files. Anyway, just to show you, let's to see the collection and later we make the test. So I have the folder here from Emacs keyboard and synths, from HALION, from KETRON, from the Kontakt. Have the two folder from the many VST where is the available from the Kontakt on the Kontakt library as well. I have the mix from the Nord lead, from Sample Tank and YAMAHA as well. Let's to show you, like for example, we open this one. So here all samples, all instrument is here, and I have here the subfolder samples, whereas I have the all instrument, all single instrument here is with the WAV format, or like if somebody want to use it like on the audio format, like for example this is the HP chord instrument, so all samples is here one by one, and I have on the all instrument like that as well. Let's open this one, just one, to open another one, just 2, 4, 5, right? On the another folder as well, I just in the show you like for the mix here, if somebody wanna use the wave format and audio format samples, just ignore the this one and going on the this folder on the samples will be fine at all, every single instrument like here, like let's just going on the Casio CZ, and there like can use it from here as well. Right, let's to going on the to make the test on the sound. We open the FL Studio. First one, I have the Kontakt 4. So the Kontakt 4 is the very old player, and I want to check it's working or not, because I expect if working on the Kontakt 4, so they usually need to be work on the every next player like Kontakt 5, Kontakt 6, Kontakt 7 and more. Let's just to add something like maybe let's to find something like lead 17. This is from the mix folder. I'll make the few tests on the from the different bank just to show you, because that is the so much strange, it's not sound, not sound here, but let's try another one. Nexus. It's Nexus here. 70 is working. Yeah. Right, let's to find the one more, another one. This is from Nexus. Synth. This is demo player, is not work so good, but Anyway, I just want to make the test just to make sure it's working or not. It's very strange. It's so right. No picture, just this is the simple one, simple instrument. Also, you are available just to use this library to find a directory from here and find it. That is the simple one, no picture or something. I just want to make the test. Let's to go on have the Kontakt 5. This is the Kontakt 5. And I have the Kontakt, this should be Kontakt 6 and 8. The next one, let's try. Let's to go on another folder, the Nord lead. Will be found something like Synth hash. Yeah, this is the Kontakt 5. Kontakt 5 is working normally as well. Let's to going on the Kontakt. What is the Kontakt 6? I think this one. Let's see that this is the Kontakt 5 or 6. I will make the 8 as well, the Kontakt 8. Yes, this is the Kontakt 6. Let's to find another one. Combi Classic. Let's this one to try. It's working normally. If you want to make some edit, reducted, and add some effect from here, it's available. Later save and make it how you want. Let's to make another test from the Kontakt 8. Right, let's to find it another folder, like we'll find it from KETRON. Let's to find it from KETRON. Which one? Let's to be this one. This is the Kontakt 8. Simple view, classic one. Right. Let's just to add here. Right. This instrument is from the KETRON SD90 Phantom. Let's to find another one to change. Maybe this one. My Windows is update and start work very slowly. They usually need to be much faster, much more than faster, but the sound is not so bad. Let's to go and on another folder. Let's to close this one. Let's to go on another folder. Just not lead. Let's to go on YAMAHA. Will be fine. And maybe this one. So it's important, it's working. Let's to go on the folder again. This is important for me, working from the all Kontakt player, Y Kontakt 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I make it the test I make the test for the everything. So that's the important. I make it the test. Maybe we have the any problem and issue from the some instrument, but sorry for that. That's the so much. I am expected should be the 80% from the all instrument to working very good. Anyway, so let's to show you the first folder. So the first folder is this one. Let's to going on down. That's the end. Let's to see how much it's here. Show me the 208 folder, but it should be that's the all together. Should be need to be around maybe 100 instrument, because the 480 folder, and he calculate, the computer is calculate should be this one plus another one. Let's to try. $207 files. Right. Let's to show another one. The HALION is only this one. How much? Is the 23 files. 23 files. And this is this one. Right. Let's to go to the next folder. KETRON. This is all. This one is from the KETRON SD1000. Another one. This one. Another one where is the beginning. Where is the beginning from the SD90. This is from KETRON SD90. All to the down. I'm just in the find it. Here I have the SD90 as well. I am doing SD90 this project a long time ago, and I'm just in the take it from there which one is the some like synthy and make from the one separate folder. The Kontakt one is this is from the all Kontakt library. Should be maybe you have as well the factories one, this instrument, and maybe not necessary to use this folder, but maybe you don't have everything. So this one from the Kontakt one, and well, this from the Kontakt, this is the Kontakt folder 1 and 2, because it's so bigger. So that this folder is the 672 megabytes, 672 megabytes, and I make it the 2 folder because no, sorry, the 400, and let's to see another one. It's the 500 megabytes, 64 folder. And so much. Mix one is this one. Casio, this is from the CZ, that is the small one, but it's good one, like ethnic one. From the Nexus VST here as well. This is, I think, is the accordion. I have the, should be from SD90, this one as well. It's mixed, I don't know, it's mixed here. Anyway, maybe it's the same like on the folder on the KETRON, but it's not so big deal. This on the Nord lead, maybe this instrument is the same with this one. But anyway, I'm just in the not offered just 10 samples. This is the so much. If some, maybe this one as well is same, but just if it's same, just in the latest. That's it. That is from Sample Tank and from YAMAHA as well. show you from Yamaha. Yeah, I can make the test for the every single instrument because that is the so many, and we be spending a lot of time, and I don't think somebody want to stay on the video just to watch on the end, because if I make the test on the one by one, should be we be spending 2-3 hours, and not necessary. I'm just in the make the simple test. We put the more information below the video on the my description, just in the look at there, and we will have a look more information. Also, I think, alright, if somebody wish to take it, the price will be on the 12.50 pounds. I will be put the all information. If somebody want to wish and take it, just when you pay, need to be automatic to get the link to download. When you download, need to be received this file. This file is the WinRAR, and just need to be unpacked, unRAR himself. And when you unpack it, will be received this one, Synth Sound Kontakt NKI format, and all together is inside. Right, thank you very much guys to watch the video and interesting from the my collection. Thank you.